How to remove and pause Windows Update. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on the search bar at the bottom left corner of your screen and search Windows Update. Click on Windows Update Settings. After you're in Windows Update, on the left side, you'll find this kind of screen. And if it is starting, you'll find here Stop button instead of Restart Now. You can simply click on Stop and stop the update. But if it's already updated, you can scroll down and click on View Update History. After you click on View Update History, here click on Uninstall Updates at the top. After you click on Uninstall Updates, you will be able to uninstall the update. And this is how to remove and pause Windows Update. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.